Hey there, fellow travelers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple Watch and uncovering some seriously handy features that will make your next international trip a breeze. Now, when you think of an Apple Watch, you might picture a sleek device for tracking your fitness goals, but did you know it's also an incredible travel companion? It's like having a mini iPhone on your wrist, ready to assist you with all your travel needs. And the best part? You don't need to install any extra apps, these features are all built in. So, let's explore some of these essential travel tools and uncover why they're a game changer for any globetrotter. First up, let's talk about language barriers. We've all been there, struggling to communicate with locals when we're in a foreign country. Well, fear not, because your Apple Watch can be your personal interpreter. With the Translate app, you can choose your language, speak into the mic, and let your watch do the talking. It's like having a pocket-sized translator right on your wrist. While it might not be perfect for complex conversations, it's a huge step up from the old days of lugging around a dictionary. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a bit of sci-fi magic in their everyday life? If you're an early adopter, you can even try out Apple's live translation feature with your AirPods. It's like having your very own multilingual assistant. Next, let's tackle the age-old problem of keeping all your travel documents organized. From boarding passes to passports, it can be a real headache to keep track of everything. But fear not, your Apple Watch has got your back. You can add your boarding pass to Apple Wallet and have it ready to scan at the airport, no more rummaging through your bag. And if you're a US citizen, you can even use the digital ID feature for a seamless experience at over 250 US airports. It's like having your passport on your wrist. Plus, with the upcoming watchOS 27, you'll be able to add event and location tickets, making it even easier to keep everything in one place. Now, let's talk about getting around. Many countries have those handy rechargeable transit cards, and guess what? Your Apple Watch can use them too. Just add your transit card to Wallet on your iPhone, and you're good to go. And here's a pro tip. Enable Express Mode so you can use your transit card without even opening Wallet. It's a real time saver, especially when you're navigating a busy metro station. But be cautious, there's a known exploit where thieves can access your card, so keep an eye on your iPhone in public. Speaking of payments, Apple Pay on your Apple Watch is a game changer. It's quick, convenient, and secure, and it's especially useful when you're traveling and don't want to flash your credit card. Just make sure you set it up before you leave, as it can be a hassle to add payment cards abroad. And don't forget to choose a default card to speed up your purchases. Now, let's talk about keeping track of your stuff. The Find My app on your Apple Watch is a lifesaver. It can help you locate your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even your AirPods if you misplace them. And the best part? It'll even notify you if you leave something important behind, like your hotel room key or your passport. It's like having a personal assistant keeping an eye on your belongings. Getting lost is a traveler's worst nightmare, but your Apple Watch has got you covered with its map directions. It's especially handy when you're walking or taking public transport in an unfamiliar city. And with the Backtrack feature, you can venture off the beaten path without worrying about getting lost. It's like having a personal compass guiding you back home. Just remember to download maps ahead of time so you don't rely on a spotty signal. Keeping an eye on the weather is crucial when you're traveling, and the Apple Watch Weather app has got you covered. It gives you detailed info on temperature, humidity, and even air quality. And with severe weather alerts, you'll always be prepared for any unexpected storms. Plus, the at-a-glance forecasts are a real-time saver, especially when you're planning your day. Now, let's talk about emergencies. No one wants to think about them, but being prepared is always a good idea. Your Apple Watch has a suite of emergency features, including automatic calls to local emergency services. It's especially useful when you're in a stressful situation and can't think straight. And with crash and fall detection, your watch can even alert emergency services if you're unresponsive. It's a real lifesaver, and it's worth turning on these features before your trip. Keeping track of time zones can be a headache, especially when you're dealing with work deadlines or meetings back home. But with the World Clock app on your Apple Watch, it's a breeze. It supports multiple cities and even does basic time comparison calculations. So, you'll always know the time back home, making it easier to stay connected. If you're a swimmer or a diver, the Apple Watch has some incredible features for you too. Recent models are water-resistant and can track your swims, including stroke type and distance. And with the Depth app, you can even get diving information, like water temperature and depth. It's like having a personal diving buddy on your wrist. Lastly, let's talk about taking photos. We've all been hesitant to hand our phones to strangers for a quick snap, but with the Camera Remote app, you can control your iPhone's camera remotely. It's a great way to capture the moment without risking your expensive device. Just set up a tripod, and you're good to go. So, there you have it, folks. These Apple Watch features are a traveler's dream come true. They make your international trips easier, more organized, and a whole lot more fun. So, the next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget to give your Apple Watch a little extra love and attention. It's a powerful tool that deserves a spot on your wrist. Until next time, happy travels and stay curious.